How to add calendar date picker in Google Sheets. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Sheet. Okay guys, so here we are. So first step is you need to select the area or row or cell. So I just select that cell. Okay, from E1 to E20. Now we need to go in data and go to the data validations. Here you can need to hit the add rule, and you can see the range has already selected E1 to E20. Now we need to select the criteria. Just click on drop down and select the date is okay, and just click done. Okay, so rule has been generated. Now come to your space and double click on sale, then calendar will come up, and you can pick the date from here any. Okay, you need to just double click on within this cell, and the calendar will be show like this. Okay, so this is the rule has been generated. If you want to delete, you can delete, or if you want to edit, just double click on it, it will be. Now you need to, if you want to edit, just click on it. Now you able to edit it. You can change the range and all. You can also remove it. You can go to the advanced option and you can do. So here you have the more option like reject the input and show warning and all. So done. So that is how you can use the date picker in Google Sheet. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.